Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Beau, and it is October 27th, 2017. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon, and we've got a band of rain. Now, if you were with me this morning, there wasn't hardly anything on radar, but as I told you, it would all light up quickly, and it did this morning. We now have rain from Texas and Oklahoma, Arkansas, up into southeast Missouri, southern Illinois, moving into western Kentucky, all the way up into Michigan. And then we've got snow over here in Minnesota, Wisconsin, part of Iowa. Look at this temperature contrast. Let me just stop this animation. Earlier this morning, Carbondale, Illinois at midnight was in the 60s. By 9 a.m., they were in the lower to middle 40s. Big temperature drop behind this cold front. Let's zoom into our local area, take a closer look at radar here and temperatures. 61 degrees near Hopkinsville, 54 in Madison. Temperatures already falling. 46 in Paducah, Kentucky, 45 in Poplar Bluff. Look at this, 43 degrees in Cape Girardeau with rain, 43 in Carbondale, Sykeston, and Carroll as well. All reporting rain falling. Mount Vernon, a few light showers around in the 40s up there as well. We've already got 30s in central Missouri, Rolla, 39 degrees. Cold temperatures for this time of the year for the daytime. Normal lows this time of year are around 44, 45 degrees. Middle of the afternoon, we've got temperatures in the 30s and 40s. Let's switch over to the Paducah, Kentucky National Weather Service radar, and we take a closer look here. We've got showers, rain, some embedded heavier showers in here across the Boot Heel and into parts of southern Illinois. Now, this whole line is moving northeast, but what it's been doing with time is slowly moving eastward as well. Started out back here in central Arkansas into Poplar Bluff to near Mount Vernon a few hours ago. And even though it is moving northeast, it's sliding eastward with time. Rain will overspread northwest Tennessee and west Kentucky as we move through the afternoon hours. Temperatures will continue to fall across the rest of the area as we near evening. All of the area will be in the 40s, and the eastern half of our region will have to deal with rain. Now, as far as tonight, this rain will likely linger into the overnight hours, possibly fairly late, especially for our eastern counties. We may dry out a little bit to the west, but we do have another jet streak moving into the area this afternoon. That may reignite some precipitation behind this main line. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Bottom line, not the best afternoon, not going to be the best evening for football games, especially over parts of southern Illinois, West Kentucky, down into the Boot Heel. Going to be a raw night ahead of us. Temperatures will drop into the 30s with rain. Rain may mix briefly with some snowflakes or sleet pellets over southeast Illinois and West Kentucky. Probably won't even know it because it would be between midnight and 5 a.m. Not anticipating any problems. More of a novelty sleet flurry type event. As we move into Saturday, may start out mostly sunny, but then stratus clouds, low stratus clouds will develop in from the north. How far south those clouds drift, a little bit uncertain on that. Pretty sure, let's say Mount Vernon to Marion, Evansville, perhaps northwest Kentucky, this area in here, lowering clouds through the day. As far as to the south and west of there, just not sure. I think we'll see quite a bit of sun in southeast Missouri, northwest Arkansas, northeast Arkansas, northwest Tennessee, into part of west Kentucky. We'll keep an eye on that. As we move through the afternoon and evening hours, those clouds will drift further and further south. We do have a freeze watch, freeze alert for Saturday night. Temperatures probably going to drop below freezing over the most of the area. If we get the clouds to move out, probably going to drop into the upper 20s over some of our colder favored areas. That will be a freeze. So a freeze watch has been issued by the National Weather Service, probably going to be upgraded to a freeze warning for Saturday night. Light frost possible tonight over parts of Illinois and Missouri. And then Sunday night, southerly winds develop, and we may get down in the 30s with frost on Sunday night. But if those southerly winds pick up a little bit, that may keep our temperatures a little bit milder, let's say middle upper 30s to around 40 versus 28 to 34. So Sunday night, we'll just keep an eye on for frost. But the coldest night of this event going to be on Saturday.